Your team may forget. Our AI won't free us. FollowUP keeps everyone on track.
This procedure outlines the steps to perform an AI chat interaction within the Trueaiwork platform. It ensures consistent use of AI features to obtain task-related insights effectively. Click the AI Follow-Up feature within the Trueaiwork application to initiate the AI chat process. Click the option labeled Ask about your tasks to specify the inquiry context for the AI chat. Enter the question, "What color palette should I use for my brand logo to request AI guidance on branding colors?" Click the Submission area to send the query and receive AI-generated responses within Trueaiwork. This procedure details the 4 steps required to conduct an AI chat interaction in Trueaiwork, from accessing the AI feature to submitting a branding-related query. Following these steps ensures consistent and effective use of AI capabilities for task assistance.